Recycle, recycle, recycle. It means to treat things that have already been used so that they can be used again, especially waste materials like paper, glass, or plastic. It can also mean to use something again for a different purpose. Examples: 1. We recycle all our glass bottles and newspapers at home to help reduce waste. 2. Many cities have programs where residents can recycle their old electronics instead of throwing them away. 3. She recycled her old jeans into a stylish bag. Common collocations include recycle paper, recycle waste, or recycle beans. And for a mini phrase you can use every day, how about the classic slogan reduce, reuse, recycle? It's a quick reminder to cut down on what you use, find new ways for old items, and process waste into something new. There you have it, Recycle Explained. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more words, and drop a comment with a sentence using recycle. See you next time and don't forget to recycle today. Bye.